the long version of the mustard dress. I think it turned out really cute, and it has my branding on it and in it, and it's super cute. And I also finished the linen one. I think it's also adorable. I want this one as well. I want them all for myself, and I have one long version of each color that I have for this collection. So many more here. It's really heavy to lift up. I think I have like 4 of the mustard colored dresses. I have 2 floral ones and a long floral one. But anyways, I have a lot. I can't wait to put them up in the shop and sell them. My mom just rang the doorbell because she had to drop something off for the shop. And I give her a hug and she's like, "Girl, fix it here. And you smell like onions." Me like, "Wait, I'm not sweating that much today." And I'm like, "Oh, because I fried the onions for the stew." I finally found a suitable and well-priced LED light. Woo! I was so excited. So that means, let me show you. Do you see that hideous naked light bulb? This is going to be replaced with a big LED light paneling, which is also I can dim, which is awesome. Little update for the evening. I didn't get that much done with my fanny pack, but I just put in my beautiful, beautiful zippers and in the back as well. And I love how this is turning out. And I think on Monday I'm gonna finish this. And this just makes me happy. It's just, I love making them. They're just so much work. But I even have like little keychain holders that I'm going to put in there and the stuff. Right now my sister's cutting out some really, really cute stickers because she's thinking about investing into, what's it called, a silhouette? And so she has like these...
A cutting plotter.
A
plotting machine.
And so she just has this like bad sticker paper right now. And so she's just cutting it out and just trying it out. And oh my gosh, I put some in my scrapbook, in my vision board book, and I'm loving it. Look at this. It's so cute. It's so cute. It makes me happy. Hey ho! Welcome back. So yesterday I stopped filming because my memory card was full, and also I kept running out of daylight. That was horrible lighting. But talking about lighting, Tim put up my new LED light. I'm so happy. It's so nice. You can make it brighter, you can make it darker. It has cool light and outside light and daylight light, and it's just, I'm so in love. And I'm so happy because now I don't have a naked little light bulb dangling above my head. What I'm doing right now is I'm sewing the fabrics onto my zippers, which I already did with this piece and this piece. I had this done and then I realized, dang it, I put the zipper inside out on this, so I had to take it apart again. Okay, I'm gonna go back to work, sew some, and Oh, you like what I'm wearing? Yes, I finally put on my own little dress that I made. It's my prototype and I love it. I love it so much. It's so cute. And then when the lighting is a little bit better outside, I want to do like a little cute product shoot. But for that, I want to have my bags and a little bit more of accessories. But yeah, that's for the update, and I'm gonna go sell more. Good morning, happy Monday, back to work. There is this huge snowstorm going on since Saturday night, and it's epic. And then Tim just got back from the attic because he put something up there. He's like, "Oh, it snowed upstairs," so we had to remove a lot of snow from the attic because what happens when it melts? It goes into our ceiling, so that wouldn't be that great. So we had to do that, and my thumb hurts because it got so cold. But we got that fixed, and now I can finally get back to work and finish this cute little. Okay, back to work. Got my audiobook on, and let's do this. Done! I finished the fanny pack. Look at how cute it is. I'm so excited. I mean, come on. It's cute. It's made out of linen and cotton canvas. Wear it this way. This is how I prefer wearing it. And I think super cute. I mean, come on, it works with this dress. You can just adjust it so it's a short little strap, and you can just like boop, boop, and you can wear it this way. Now I just have to, I mean, I do have my list, but I can check something off and see what else I'm gonna make. Ay, this room is so messy. Okay, so the plan is, so I painted back when I moved into this apartment, this wall, this blue, and I like it. I have it in my hallway. I'm just not loving it in this room. So I'm going to paint this wall a little bit darker gray. I hope it's going to look okay with the sand color I have here. If not, I have to paint this as well. And the plan is, as much as I love these two little dressers, I am not very good with dressers. They're not very functional for me. It's more of stuffing stuff away and out of sight, out of mind. But Tim and I just switched out the dresser from my sister's living room with another one, so we're getting hers. And it's gonna go right here. It's gonna come out to about here. It's gonna go up, 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 up to about here, and over to about here. It's gonna take in about half of this room, but it's gonna look so much better. I have way more storage, and then I have a place to put my laundry, like my bed linens and my games, and the bed is gonna look nicer again because yes, that's actually down here. That's a bed. So yeah, but yeah. Okay, it's 9 in the morning. I have about 2 hours to have to go to work, so let's do this. sie wegmachen. Da.
Die hast du gekauft gestern, ich bin da.
Ja, wie will ich nicht.
Ja, nicht.
Also die müssen anfangen. Ich wollte sich gerade auch nicht ableihen lassen. Da.
Hast du? Ja, ich sehe es. Soll ich jetzt?
I can't believe it's already Monday. It's the last week of this month, and then February's over. Time goes by so fast. And I also organized my my collaging, scrapbooking stuff. So I made myself a little box where I keep all of my stickers and all these things. But I was busy. Let me get this. To scrapbooking, organizing and stuff, and I made myself a little sample dress which is inside out, which I love. It's so cute. It's a vintage pattern which I found in my stash, and it just happens to be in my size, which I'm really happy about. Yes, I want to make this, and I ordered as well this gorgeous gingham. And it's organic, and it's gingham. I'm loving gingham right now. I loved it since last year, and I never really had any gingham fabrics. So I finally, it's in trend. So I can get all these ginghams. And look at this gingham. It is mustard, and I'm loving mustard. Mustard and pink. I could, this could just marry each other and make the most beautiful gingham family. Seriously. But it just... Oh, it's so pretty. This in combination with, let me get it, with my mustardy, look at this. It's gorgeous. It's just, it's so good. I love it. Finally get fabrics that I want. And it's sunny. It's nice. It's like spring, and I'm getting my crap together, and I have my vision board. I have my pretty to-do list. I'm gonna start journaling, even though I'm kind of afraid of what will come out of my thought process when you like get this on paper. We'll see, but I'm gonna make this. So I want to make myself this dress, and I am thinking about just using the sleeves from the blouse underneath. I mean, it will be cute. I like the silhouette of it, and if I shorten this a little bit, and maybe I'm gonna poof up these sleeves a little more, but then I don't have to worry about making a separate pattern for the sleeves. Okay, I have made my decision. I have been hoarding this tweet since forever, but I think this will be so cute. Oh, look at this tweed. And then I'm gonna line it with this. I still have this fabric left over from when I did my bachelor collection, and oh, how creative. I'm gonna go with this linen as well, but that one I wanted to make a version with the sleeves. I think will be cute. I mean, it's not like I'm not wearing this linen right now, but whatever. I really like this color, and it goes well. Look at this.
Had a rare day off on a day in
Good morning! It's Tuesday! I tried to film last night, but the lighting was just so bad, and I'm gonna continue sewing this little baby up because I have more fabric waiting for me to get in the work in. So let's continue.
So we took the old car.
Okay, update. I just finished the lining. I sewed it all together. I still have to remove my water erasable pen marker, but that's fine. But it's looking pretty good. I kind of have to do the same things over again for the main body.
Drove it far away. We stopped out where the trees stand quiet. Walk.
Oh my gosh, I just finished the dress. It's done. I love this. This is so cute. I can dress it up, I can dress it down, and it's just this really, really nice, fresh, basic dress. Hey, update time. Okay, it is Friday, and yesterday I spent most time sewing the linen version, and I'm done. Look at it. It's so cute. I love it. And I love that the pattern, the blouse that came in the package has the same circumference of the dress, so it was really easy to just use the sleeve pattern that was in there. Looking at these two new dresses that I made myself, I'm in love. I love them so much, and I think they're such a good addition to my wardrobe. It's just, you just wear them and you can dress them up and dress them down, and that's what I like about them. And here's a little fun montage of me modeling.
Someday I will be the one for you, and you will be the one for me too. Someday I will be the one for you, and you will be the one for me too. Yes, it's true. I love the things you do for me, the way you smile and laugh at me, it's true. Yes, I do. I love the way you think and talk, I love the way you move and walk, I do. I know it's early, but I mean every word I say. I stay with you through night and day, it's true. You know I'll be there for you. Someday you could be the soccer mom, and I could get the garden done, it's true. Someday I could take the kids to school, then spend the morning loving you, it's true. Yes, it's true. I love the way you wear your hair and all your different underwear, I do. Yes, I do. I'll take you on a holiday to Bali, Broom and Wanglass Bay, it's true. I know it's early, but I mean every word I say. I stay with you through night and day, it's true. You know I'll be there for you. And if you let me, I'll love you till the end of time. Well, I'll be yours and you'll be mine, it's true. You know I'll be there for you.